Let's get some coaching to write better emails with Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. Say you want to share fiscal year results and need advice on how to talk about highs and lows with your team. Just select Copilot, Coaching by Copilot, and your draft gets analyzed for improvements. Nice! There are some great ideas here, like how to better adjust tone, sentiment, and clarity. And if there's a suggestion you want, copy and paste it into your draft. Just a few more adjustments, and this email's ready to send.